Welcome back. In today's video, we'll explore how to create a personal gallery wall, a home decor trend that turns blank walls into striking visual statements. A well-designed gallery wall can be the centerpiece of any room, showcasing your personality through a carefully curated collection of photos, artwork, and decorative pieces. Whether you prefer a classic, symmetrical arrangement or an eclectic, free-flowing style, we'll guide you through every step to ensure your gallery wall is both stylish and meaningful. Let's dive in. 1. Defining your theme. Creating a cohesive vision. The foundation of a successful gallery wall is choosing a theme that reflects your personal taste. Do you want to display family memories, artistic prints, travel souvenirs, or a combination of all three? A well-defined theme ensures harmony and purpose in your arrangement. For an elegant and refined look, consider a black and white photography series or a collection of fine art prints. If you prefer a vibrant, eclectic feel, blend framed artwork with unique pieces like woven textiles, decorative plates, or sculptural elements. Mixing different media creates depth and makes the gallery wall truly one of a kind. 2. Choosing frames. Enhancing the aesthetic appeal. Frames play a crucial role in setting the tone for your gallery wall. A uniform set of frames creates a sleek, polished look, while a mix of different styles adds character and dimension. For a modern aesthetic, opt for simple, thin frames in black, white, or metallic finishes. If you love a rustic or vintage vibe, mix wooden frames in different shades. Experimenting with various frame sizes and materials can add depth and visual interest to your wall while maintaining a consistent design language. 3. Designing the layout. Structure versus spontaneity. Before you start hanging, decide on a layout that complements your space. A structured, symmetrical arrangement creates a clean and sophisticated feel, making it ideal for offices and formal spaces. On the other hand, an organic, asymmetrical layout offers a more relaxed and artistic look. To achieve a balanced yet dynamic composition, start with a central focal piece and build outward. This ensures the arrangement feels intentional rather than random. Laying the frames on the floor first or using paper cutouts taped to the wall can help you experiment with different configurations before committing to the final placement. 4. Curating your art. Mixing styles for visual harmony. Your gallery wall should tell a story, whether through personal photographs, abstract art, or inspirational quotes. If you're blending different types of artwork, find a unifying element, such as a shared color palette, a recurring subject, or a consistent frame style, to tie everything together. A combination of large statement pieces and smaller accents creates a natural flow and prevents any single element from overpowering the display. Including unexpected items like framed textiles, postcards, or handwritten notes adds a personal touch and makes your gallery wall feel curated rather than store-bought. 5. Planning and measuring. Ensuring precision and balance. Taking time to plan your gallery wall layout is key to a flawless installation. Before you pick up a hammer, arrange your frames on the floor and adjust the positioning until you find the perfect balance. Alternatively, use paper templates to map out your layout directly on the wall. A well-spaced gallery wall should maintain uniform gaps between frames, typically between 2 to 4 inches. When hanging pieces, use a level to ensure everything aligns properly, and always measure twice before making any holes in the wall. 6. Adding dimension. Incorporating 3D elements. Gallery walls don't have to be limited to framed prints and paintings. Incorporating three-dimensional elements, such as small floating shelves, decorative mirrors, or sculptural wall hangings can add depth and make your arrangement more visually engaging. To avoid visual clutter, choose a few statement objects that complement the overall aesthetic of your gallery wall. Layering a mix of flat and dimensional pieces creates an engaging interplay of textures, making your wall feel more dynamic and lived in. 7. Playing with scale. Using different frame sizes for impact. A well-balanced gallery wall features a mix of frame sizes to create movement and rhythm. Larger pieces can serve as anchor points, while smaller frames can be arranged around them to guide the eye through the display. For a casual, artistic look, allow some frames to slightly overlap or group them into clusters. If you prefer a more structured arrangement, ensure frames are evenly spaced and aligned along a common baseline. Experimenting with scale makes the design feel more curated and prevents the gallery wall from looking too uniform or monotonous. 8. Using color for cohesion. Uniting your wall with a palette. If your gallery wall includes a variety of styles, using color as a unifying element can create harmony. Whether it's a consistent background hue, a repeating accent shade, or a specific color theme, incorporating a well-thought-out palette can make diverse pieces feel like they belong together. Frames can also serve as a color element. Metallic frames can introduce warmth, while bold-colored frames can add contrast and visual interest. If your room has a dominant color scheme, subtly incorporating those shades into your gallery wall will help it blend seamlessly with the rest of your decor. 9. Hanging at the perfect height. Achieving an eye-level display. To ensure an aesthetically pleasing arrangement, position the center of your gallery wall at eye level, typically around 57 to 60 inches from the floor. If you're hanging your gallery above a piece of furniture, maintain a gap of around 6 to 8 inches between the lowest frame and the furniture's top surface. A well-positioned gallery wall feels effortless and natural, enhancing the overall space without overwhelming it. Taking these height considerations into account will help create a comfortable viewing experience and a visually appealing display. 10. Adding the final touches, making it uniquely yours. A gallery wall should be a reflection of your personality and experiences. Infuse it with personal elements, family photos, souvenirs from your travels, or handwritten notes to make it feel meaningful and authentic. For an extra touch of creativity, consider layering framed pieces with decorative wall decals or small plants in wall-mounted holders. These finishing touches can enhance the character of your gallery wall, transforming it from a simple display into a personal storytelling space. Bonus tip: bring your vision to life with SANGAU's expertise. At SANGAU, we believe every home should reflect the personality of those who live in it. Our team can assist you in designing the perfect gallery wall, from selecting frames to arranging each piece with precision. Whether you want a sleek, modern layout or a charming, eclectic display, we make the process seamless and stress-free. Contact SANGAU today to elevate your interiors with a beautifully curated gallery wall. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.